Tarlac Province.
Nag-Hong Kong yan, mga sunod.
Mali Isabela. Coronadal, South Cotabato. Concepcion, Tarlac. Filipino Community of India. Let's all welcome the fourth batch of candidates. Starting this round with Samar Province. Designer, Jane Tlazabas. Sarakiki Hadang Festival of Calbayog City is one of the highlighted festivals of Samar. In many cultures, roosters are often offered to gods and deities due to their symbolic significance. This golden rooster designed by Jane Tlazabas highlights the importance of this animal in badang or offerings. In Hadang Festival, roosters are offered because they symbolize vigilance. Roosters are known for crowing at dawn, signaling the start of a new day, and this act symbolizes vigilance and dispelling of darkness or evil, making the rooster a potent symbol for protection. Samar Province. Samar Province. Candidate number 17. Filipino Community of United Kingdom. Designer, Festivali of the Tacloban City. This costume is a striking representation of Filipino heritage, symbolizing the bravery and resilience of indigenous warriors, particularly from the Visayan region, which includes Samar and Leyte. The ornate armor is crafted with intricate patterns and beads and decorations, reflecting the skill and creativity of Filipino artisans. The headdress is bold with spikes and gems that represent strength and valor of ancestors who fought against colonizers, like the warriors who famously resisted Magellan. Filipino Community, United Kingdom. Candidate number 18, Capas Tarlac. Designer, Simeon Cayetano. This striking costume celebrates the importance of the Carabao in farming culture, blending traditional and contemporary elements. The bold black and gold color scheme enhances the regal and powerful appearance with intricate beadwork and detailed embellishments throughout, representing prosperity and strength. The headpiece, crafted from rattan and crowned with a miniature kubo-kubo or traditional Filipino hut, symbolizes the essence of rural life and the deep connection to the land. The gold accents throughout the costume reflect golden harvest and rice farming in Capas, Tarlac, symbolizing abundance and success. The fur cape adds a dramatic and luxurious touch, complementing the powerful stance of the wearer and embodying the resilience of farmers. Capas, Tarlac. Capas, Tarlac. Candidate number 19, Tacloban City. Designer, Henry Segovia. The Sangyao Festival is a religious and social-cultural event in Tacloban City that indicates a parade of lights and street dances that celebrates the city's history, culture, and spirituality. The word Sangyao means to herald news in the Walay language. The main attraction is the devotion to the Santo Niño, patron of Tacloban City. The festival's core theme is the miraculous return of Señor Santo Niño, El Capitan, to the city. Tacloban City. Tacloban City. Candidate number 20, Negros Occidental. Designer, Rexter Maurice Nagin. Honoring the love and valor of Lawakan, the strongest warrior of Caloocan, and Princess Kansilay, this costume tells a timeless story of unbreakable bonds. The sword represents courage, while the armor signifies their unmatched strength. Crafted from authentic Mangyan-inspired fabrics with an exquisite touch. Each detail, from the shimmering Swarovski crystal to the bold black feathers, embodies the resilience and bravery of Lawakan, a true Filipino spirit brought to life, embodying the spirit of resilience and bravery. Negros Occidental. Negros Occidental. Once again, our fourth batch of candidates.
Magaan-gaan na mga ito. Version 2 na yan, di ba? Ano may version 2?
Samar Province.
Anong size?
7,200.
Philcom United Kingdom. Kapas Tarlac.
Tinamaan ng puso.
Tacloban City. Negros Occidental.
Pagka mo, dadami.
Wala to rin 1 million yung followers. Sambo na lang.
And our fifth batch of candidates, starting with candidate number 21, Zambales. Designer, Winwin Abuso. The Zambales national costume is inspired by Dumangan, a god of good harvest. Represents the province's vibrant harvest, including rice crops and the well-known sweetest dinapulag mango. The costume features a modern bahag, horn-shaped necklace, and a carabao jewel weapon for hunting animals. The cave features tourist spots in Zambales, while the back dress features rice, mango, fish, and an ipahag, symbolizing blessings and protection from Dumangan. Zambales is not just a province of hope and resilience, renowned for its stunning landscape, rich cultural resources, and vibrant culture, but also a province where you can have fun, explore, and experience Zambales. Zambales. Candidate number 22. Iloilo Province. Designer, Arnel Matang Espa. Iloilo Province represents the Dinagyang warrior. Clad in colorful feathers, he embodies the vibrant spirit of the Dinagyang Festival, a religious cultural presentation which hails from the city of love, Iloilo. The Dinagyang warrior symbolizes the festival's colorful history, rich heritage, passionate devotion to Señor Santo Niño, and the burning spirit of the courageous Ilonggo people. Truly an epitome of bravery, resilience, and beautiful culture. Iloilo Province. Candidate number 23, Province of Rizal. Designer, Patrick Isoret. Rizal's costume is a symbolical representation of Sikaran, which emerges as a captivating martial arts spectacle hailing from the serene township of Baras, nestled in the heart of Rizal Province. Legend has it that the artistry of Sikaran was a well-practiced marvel even in the era preceding the arrival of the Spanish conquerors on the Philippine shores in the 16th century. Province of Rizal. candidate number 24, Iligan City. Designer, Mark Anthony Piquero and Red Carson. This costume embodies the unity and diversity of Iligan City, blending tradition and belief in a radiant, bold palette that reflects the city's resilience and faith. At the heart of the design lies an image of Señor San Miguel, Iligan's patron saint, symbolically placed at the chest as a tribute to his protection and guidance over the city. Surrounding the central icon, fabrics inspired by Maranao and Higaonon tribal patterns elegantly weave their distinct aesthetics into the garment, representing Iligan's tribe people community. Though the Maranao and Higaonon tribes traditionally do not venerate saints, the people of Iligan collectively feel the safeguarding spirit of Señor San Miguel, especially during the annual Diandi Festival. Iligan City. Iligan City. Number 25, Tanawan Leyte. Designer, Paul Scenario. Perlas ng Silangan. Presenting Tanawan Leyte, known as the Pearl of the East for its rich cultural heritage and breathtaking coastal beauty that shapes the town's spirit and prosperity. Wearing Perlas ng Silangan, this national costume designed by Paul Scenario embodies the essence of Tanawan's deep connection to the sea and livelihood that sustained its people for generations. Adorned in shimmering silver and pearls, this iconic piece reflects the town's rich fishing tradition, an integral part of its identity and livelihood woven into the fabric of its culture. The intricate details echo the strength and vitality of the Tribu Manginista dancers, whose performances during the town fiesta and Kasatyaan festival in Tacloban celebrate the unbreakable bond between Tanawan and the rich ocean. More than just a fabric and trend, this wonderful creation is a powerful symbol of Tanawan's resilience, heritage, and pride. Let's give it up for Tanawan Leyte. Tanawan Leyte. Let's all welcome back on stage our last batch of candidates. Zambales. Iloilo Province. Province of Rizal. Iligan City. Tanawan Leyte. on their national costume competition presentation. Ayan, maganda